ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon Weather Extreme video. This is for Monday, the 6th of October. James Spann here in the Weather Center, and thought we'd start with some sunrise shots captured this morning from the Skycam network. These were captured about 6:30 or so, and boy, that's nice, isn't it? I love the colors there. That's the Skycam in Decatur on the banks of the Tennessee River as the sun was coming up, and the scene looking good at Mount Cheahaw at daybreak this morning with a clear sky. Absolutely beautiful. Well, this afternoon, the weather mostly sunny and warm. That's our Demopolis Skycam on top of the Demopolis Civic Center. I was actually there Saturday night as the MC of the Miss Christmas on the River pageant, something I've been doing for a long, long time, the first Saturday in October, and probably should have crawled up there and gotten the cobwebs off that thing, but maybe next time. Got a big trough over the nation's midsection there, and that's spinning in this direction. The optimism is growing for a decent midweek rain event, and we'll sure take that. It's been about 15 days since we have had rain here. There's the convective outlook for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. Got a slight risk of severe weather for northeastern Texas and parts of east Oklahoma. That includes Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Tyler. The QPF chart, the numbers have come down a bit for us. This is valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock, and this is still suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches here. The heavier totals down south, and we still have to wonder if that might be a little too aggressive. We think the rain totals might be somewhere between 1/2 and 1 inch on Wednesday and tomorrow. On those 2 days where rain is a possibility, but who knows? Maybe we'll get that heavier amount. Quick peek at the tropics. As a wide view, we've got a tropical wave out there around the Cape Verde Islands in the eastern Atlantic. We'll watch. No sign of any organization there. And in the Bay of Campeche, tropical depression number 13. Pretty tiny-looking system, and that's kind of hugging the coast of Mexico, and that will be inland soon. Might reach tropical storm status, but it will not have time to really get its act together. So bottom line is it should be in by tomorrow morning and certainly no impact on the weather here. So let's look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Tuesday. There's our trough approaching from the west, and the GFS is now beginning to come around with the NAM. The NAM has been really hinting at showers tomorrow for a couple of runs, and now the GFS is in agreement with that, so we'll go ahead and bring in the chance of showers during the day tomorrow. But still, the better dynamics will be tomorrow night and Wednesday. We'll go to Wednesday, and you can see a strong shortwave with the core of that near Memphis, and down below that, that looks relatively wet. If anything, it might really be the rain would be ending in West Alabama Wednesday morning, shifting on into East Alabama during the day, as the model is a little faster at the onset and the finish of that rain. And then Thursday, we're out of it. Surface low over there near Savannah. So Thursday looks dry, the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. And Friday looks like a beautiful day, another great day for high school football. They've been on a roll this year on Friday nights. We'll take a look at the weekend. Saturday, same deal, dry. Look at the cold air coming down across the northern Rockies. Goodness gracious, it's a 1,038 millibar high over Montana. That looks like the first whopper of a snowstorm for Denver this season. And then Sunday, the cold air is deepening and the cold front moving out across the plain states, but we stay dry. Weekend here looks totally dry, and now look at Monday of next week, the GFS singing a different song. Instead of closing off an upper-level low near Little Rock, now it's closer to Omaha, Nebraska. Far removed from us with a ridge in place, and if that's the case, Monday we stay dry. The map we showed you this morning, the GFS run looked like Monday would be wet. Well, it looks like it'll be the middle of next week if this is right. We'll go to Tuesday the 14th. Gets closer, then finally Wednesday the 15th. Nice trough axis just west of here, and that looks like a good rain event. So whether it's Monday or Wednesday of next week, that looks like another promising rain episode. We'll try and nail down the timing as we get better model agreement. And at the end of the forecast cycle on the 22nd of October, westerlies are shifting north, and that looks warm and relatively dry. And, yeah, we see that tropical system off in the Atlantic. Dr. Bill Gray at Colorado State is suggesting the tropics could come alive as the month progresses, and that certainly verifies what he is thinking. We'll see if that works out. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.